Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about the amazing benefits and nutrition value of fish. Fish is a highly nutritious protein source containing essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. First, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, improving brain function, and supporting a healthy immune system. Fish, especially those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, sardines, and trout, are a great way to incorporate these essential nutrients into your diet. Next, let's discuss the vitamins and minerals found in fish. Vitamin D is essential for proper bone growth and muscle function. Fish, especially those in the cold waters like salmon, sardines, and trout, are excellent sources of vitamin D. Vitamin A is another vital nutrient that supports a healthy skin health system. Fish, especially those rich in vitamin A like liver, are a great way to ensure your body receives this essential nutrient. In addition to vitamins, fish is also a great source of minerals like selenium, which supports a healthy immune system, and zinc, which is essential for a healthy immune system, wound healing, and cell division. Magnesium is another essential mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function and nerve function. Fish, especially those like salmon and sardines, are great sources of magnesium. Lastly, fish is an excellent source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. The protein in fish is high quality, containing all essential amino acids. In conclusion, fish is a nutritious and delicious protein source with numerous health benefits. Incorporate fish into your diet regularly to enjoy its amazing nutrition value and support your overall well-being.